welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking Ghanaian food, jollof rice with goat. Okay. You say mutton? Goat.
Yeah.
Same thing. Your voice in it. Yes, I have my friend here from Ghana, but he doesn't want to be in the video, so I'm gonna be cooking and he will be directing me. Okay, so I've already chopped the stuff that I'm gonna be blending. So I have onions here, I have garlic and ginger. This is ready. Alright, so we have the mutton here. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? Put it in the pot. Just like this. Okay. So what next? Pour this on it. Chili powder. Okay. I'm eyeballing it. Okay, this should be enough. Okay. Next, what's this? Pepper. Okay. More pepper. Bay leaves. I don't know what this is, but okay. Do I wash them? Oh, two. Okay, put two in it. I don't know what this is, but okay.
Bay leaf.
Bay leaf. Alright. This probably.
That's fine. We don't put too much because we're going to be adding some salt later.
Okay.
This is just to steam up the goat to cook it up.
I feel like it needs more pepper. I'm gonna add a little more pepper in it.
And then you wait for it to cook.
For how long?
For about 20 minutes.
Okay, so 20 minutes. So do I leave it like this or do I cover it?
You gotta cover it.
Cover it? Okay. Alright, so oh, this.
You should have blended it together.
I can just
Cut it, yeah. Cut it, chop it up and put it in there.
all of this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me wash it. I forgot about it. This is onion leaf.
Yep.
Okay. Adding onion leaf to it.
Just don't do this at home. Put it on a cutting board and cut it.
And that's too much. It's okay. I'm experienced. I'm an experienced chef. Alright, so there you go.
20 minutes later.
This is finished. So I'm gonna remove the goat from this sauce and add it to the oil over there. I'm gonna put the goat on the plate first before I put it in the oil.
Okay, there we go.
Alright, so I'm adding some more onions to this thing. Okay, what else do I add?
This is just chicken broth to add a little flavor.
So what's the portion?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Curry goes in the sauce?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. Add some more pepper and
Yeah,
stuff?
if you want it spicy.
I'd add a little more. And the leaf thingies?
The leaf will add it later.
Okay. Okay.
Get the tomato paste.
hope I don't get burnt.
That should be good enough.
Okay. Adding the meat back into this pot. And then we're gonna pour some of the oil in it. And this should be enough.
Now mix it all up.
What's the name of this?
Tomato stew.
So what was in tomato stew?
So pretty much we call it goat stew.
Goat?
Goat stew.
Okay. Okay, so adding water.
Now you gotta taste it, make sure it's good enough salt, it's good enough flavor, and all that. Just gonna-
I don't know. Probably need some more pepper.
There's no pepper in there.
Yeah. Yeah, needs more pepper. I'm tasting a lot of the tomato. Okay.
The chicken broth, right there. Put water and blend it.
What portion?
Like half a spoon. Not a lot.
This?
That's fine.
Okay. So blending the chicken powder. Tell me when to stop.
That's good.
Okay.
And just pour it in there. Mix it up.
Okay. I don't know. It's missing something. Probably more pepper. Just a little more. Is this? Oh yeah, this is. Did you buy?
That's good.
Oh, this is Japanese pepper. That is why it's not strong enough. That is why. Like I knew. This is it. Am I gonna add water?
Yeah, water. Mix everything together.
Mix it first before I add the water.
gotta taste it though and see how the salt content is. You just don't add.
Okay. Probably just a little salt. Salt.
Now you add the bay leaf.
Bay leaf, how many?
Like 5.
1, 2, 3.
And like 7. Because the flavor comes from the bay leaf.
6, 7, 8.
Okay. Now mix it up. You gotta check it constantly because it tends to burn in the bottom if you don't check it.
Should I add it to the pot now?
Yeah, you should stir it. Now the bottom's gonna burn.
So this is the finished product. Let me know what you think. Yeah, looks delicious. So that's it for this video. Please thumbs up my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.